Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how we can insert shapes, pictures, clip art, symbols and other special characters in MS Word. Let's start with inserting shape. There are 8 categories of shape, that is line, rectangles, basic shapes, black arrows, equation shapes, flowchart, star and banners, callouts. If you want to insert any of the shape in your document, then first you need to click on the Insert tab. Click on the Insert tab. On the Insert tab, you will find the option Shape, like here. Click on the Insert tab, and on that you will find the option Shape. After choosing the shape, drag it on the work area. As soon as you click on the shape in the work area, you can format the shape by using various formatting options available on Format tab. Means on Format tab you will find various options to format the shape. For example, here you will find different type of shapes to be inserted. There are fill color options, that is outline, and the shading options are there. So there are many options through which you can format the shape. Let us discuss them in detail. Format the shape. After inserting the shape in the work area, if you want to format it, then click on the Format tab. On Format tab, you will find these options over here: Fill shape, shape outline, shape effect. Shape fill means if we want to fill the shape with some color, then that can be filled with this option, shape fill. Shape outline, if we want to draw some outline over the shape, then that can be done with the help of this. Shape effect, this will help you to apply some effect like glowing, reflection, 3D shapes, etc. That can be done from here, like here. If you click on this shape fill, it will ask you to choose the color which you want to apply. After that, if you select any of the color, then the color will be applied to the selected area. For example, here, if you want to apply blue color in this shape, first you just need to click the shape. After clicking the shape, just go to the shape fill option, and after that choose the blue color. As soon as you choose the blue color, the shape will be filled automatically. And if you want to insert another shape in the same document, then I have told you earlier, go to the Insert tab, like here. Go to the Insert tab. On Insert tab you will find the option Shape, which will show you different categories of shapes available. You can choose any of the shape according to your choice. Once you choose the shape, just draw the shape in the work area, that is on the page of the MS Word document, and the shape will be drawn. In the same way, if you want to shape outline, then click on the shape outline. It will ask you to choose the color of the outline, weight of the line, type of outline. You can choose any type of outline border of the shape from here. You can choose the weight. Weight means the thickness of the border. And if you apply this thing, then your shape will be formatted accordingly. In the same way, shape effect, it will help you to apply some special effect on the shape. For example, glow, 3D, soft edge, reflection, etc. According to your choice, you can apply this effect on the shape. In this way, you can apply the formatting option to the shape. Now adding text in a shape. If we want to write something in the shape, then how it can be done? Simply right click on the shape and choose the option add text. Here right click on the shape and there will be one option will be here, add text. Click on this option, your cursor will start blinking over here and you can simply type the text which you want to write in the shape. Now inserting picture. How you can insert the picture? Just by clicking on the insert tab. On insert tab you will find picture option. Means a simple logic is this: whatever thing you want to insert in the document from outside, that all the things are present under insert tab. As we have said, we are inserting something. So if we want to insert something, then that option will be present on the insert tab. So if we want to insert the picture, so this option of inserting the picture is available on insert tab. Click on the insert tab. On the insert tab you will find picture option in the illustration group. This is the illustration group which is having picture, clip art, shape, smart art, chart and screenshots. So just click on this picture. After that a dialog box will appear which will ask you to browse the picture which you want to insert in the document. Simply by selecting the drive and the folder, select the picture and click on the insert button. As soon as you click on the insert button, the picture will be inserted in the document. So if you want to insert the picture in a document, then how it can be done? The step is this: first click on the insert tab. After that click on picture button present in the illustration group. After that select the picture by browsing it in your hard disk. After that click on the insert button. In this way you can insert the picture in your document. Likewise, if you want to insert the clip art, the clip arts are the small images present in your MS Word which can be inserted in your document to enhance the layout and formatting of the document. Clip art can also be inserted by using insert tab. On insert tab there is an option clip art. Just click on this clip art. On the right side area of your document a dialog box will appear which will ask you to find out the image by searching it over here. Suppose if you want to insert the image of a computer, then here search for computer. When you click on this go, it will show you all the images of computer which are present in the clip art gallery. Just click on this right side arrow and click on the insert. As soon as you click on the insert, the image will be inserted in your document. Likewise, if you want to edit picture or shape, so it can be done. How? First you just simply click on the image. On click on the image you will find some point like this. These are some points present at the boundary of the image or the shape. These are known as resize handles. So these are the resize handles which will help you to resize your image, and here you will find a button or a handle through which you can move the direction of the image. You can move this layout and direction of the image or the shape which have inserted. Like here, you will find at the top, you will find this button. Just click it and hold your mouse and just drag your mouse to shape the rotation of your image or any picture. Cropping a picture. Cropping means if we want to remove the unwanted area from a picture or a shape, that can be done with the help of crop tool. First you need to click on the image. After clicking on the image, on the Format tab, you will find this crop tool. So crop tool is present on the Format tab. As soon as you click on this crop tool, your shape can be cropped. Just simply dragging the mouse from the crop handle, and you can crop the area which you want to display on the document. Now, inserting symbols. There are many symbols which are not present on the keyboard. There are some special symbols like Greek symbols, Roman symbols, and if you want to insert these symbols in your document, then that can be done with the help of symbol option. Symbol option is available on the Insert tab. On the Insert tab, click on this symbol button. After clicking on this symbol button, a dialog box will appear which will show you different types of symbols are available. There are different category under this subject drop down box, and here it is a font, which font you want, and under this category you can choose the category according to your choice. So after selecting the desired symbol, just click on this and click on the Insert button. As soon as you click on the Insert button, the symbol will be inserted in your document. Inserting special characters. Again, there are some special characters like @ $, $pi. All these special characters are also available in the symbol dialog box. Just click on the Insert tab. On the Insert tab, you will find the option symbol. Choose this option symbol. After that, you will find the special character tab present over here. Look at this special character tab. Click on this special character tab. You will find many special character available in your MS Word. You can choose any of the special character and you can insert it in your document. So this is all about in this chapter, in this unit, that is the session 6. In the next session, that is session 7, we are going to learn how we can create a table, what are the different methods to create a table in MS Word. We will learn this in the next video. Thank you.